This is the third video of the video series Representation of Data. In this topic, we are going to discuss about stem and leaf diagrams. What do you mean by a stem and leaf diagram? Stem and leaf diagram is a way of representing data to get information more clear. For example, if you get this set of data in the first example, just looking at this data, we cannot get much clear information. The same information I have categorized into a table called stem and leaf diagram. We will learn how to form a set of information into a stem and leaf diagram in next slides. Just look at this stem and leaf diagram. There is a column called key. That key shows you 2-0. That means that information indicates you 20 over here. For example, this information is 20. This information is 22. This information is 23. This information is also 23. 25, 31, 32, 33, 35, 45, etc. Just looking at this stem and leaf diagram, you can easily get information much clearly. What is the smallest figure in this set? That is 20. What is the largest figure? 49. Then you can see this 23 repeat twice. And 26 also repeated twice. 49 also repeated twice. Now you can see rather than that looking into this set of information, this information give us much clear idea about the information available in this set. That is why we use stem and leaf diagram to represent information. Now let's see how to perform this information in a stem and leaf diagram. Initially, just looking at this answer, this question, we can understand that this question represents 20s, 30s, and 40s. Therefore, I'll start the stem part with the first digits, removing the last digits in this example. From here, the last digits are 9, 6, 3. So in that case, you get 2, 3, 4 out of 20s, 30s, and 40s. Then you can mark 2, 3, 4. Then after that, put the rest of the information into ascending over here. Right, so you can say 49, it's over here. 36, it's over here. Likewise, prepare this information into ascending order in this set. That gives you the stem and leaf diagram. And we should mark the key in this set of data that gives you an idea what is this information stands for. Right. So you can understand that how to put this information into the stem and leaf diagram. Let's go ahead with the next question. Here you have the information 248, 200, 245, etc. Right. Then you can say this answer gives you 200s, 210s, 220s, 230s, 240s. Why do I get like this? So you can say if you get the first two numbers, that is 240s. This is 200s, 240s, 200s, 200s, 220s, etc. So then after that you can fill up this information 200s, 210s, 220s, 230s, 240s, get the first digits. Then fill up the rest of the information into ascending order. Then you can mark the key. 200 equals 200. So now you can use any figure you like over here, but the key should give a clear idea on that. Then out of this information, what are the facts we can get? You know, the smallest value is 200. The largest value is 248. And you can see 205 repeated twice, or you can say it's a mode. Likewise, you can get more information from a stem and leaf diagram. If you get this information, so if you cover up the first information, that is 2.4, 2.4s, 2.5s, 2.5s, and 2.6s, and 2.7. So you can mark 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, then fill up into the ascending order that gives you the complete diagram of a stem and leaf diagram. Hopefully you can understand how to include information into a stem and leaf diagram. Now let's see how to get more information and how to work out the measures of dispersions, or called the spread, from the stem and leaf diagram. What do you mean by measures of dispersion or spread? That means we are talking about median, quartile, boundaries, range, and sometimes we call as a standard deviation also part of a measures of dispersion. But here, using this information, we can easily obtain the median, quartiles, and boundaries for this kind of data. Let's see how to do this. Right. Okay. Initially, if you come up with a median, we know that that is n divided by 2 information. N means the number of information. So if you go ahead here, if you count this information, you have 21 information. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21 information over here, right? Therefore, 21 divided by 2 data, that is 10.50. If you get a decimal answer, we have to go ahead with the next integer, 11th information. Now, over here, what is the 11th information? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 33. Yeah, it's 33, right? Okay. Then if you come with the first quartile, that is n divided by 4 data, 21 divided by 4, 5.25. The next integer, not the approximation, remember children, it's a next integer, 6 data. What is the 6 data over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 26. Is the sixth data, sorry, yeah. Then Q3, third quartile, 3n over 4 data. That means 15.75. You can say 3 over 2, 3 over 4 into 21. 16 data, that is the next integer for 15.75. Then you can say, if you go ahead with this, 16 data is 46, right? Okay. Then you can get that. Then we need to find the lower boundary. What is the general formula? What you find out is the lower boundary? We have already learned in the previous topic how to get the lower boundary. So if you work out it with a minus 4. But you know that in this existing data, uh, we know that the smallest integer is 20. Therefore, we have to consider the lower boundary as not as minus 4, but the lowest value available in this data, since 20 is not an outlier considering this set of data. Upper boundary, if you calculate the formula Q3 equals to Q3 plus 1.5 times of Q3 minus Q1, you obtain 76. But if you consider the data, the maximum value is 49. Therefore, we have to consider the upper boundary as 49, not as 76, because 76 is a maximum possibility, but this value is within the range. Therefore, 49 is the one we have to consider as the upper boundary, right? Hopefully, you understood how to get the answer, how to get the facts from a stem and leaf diagram. Uh, Hope you have understood the contents in this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And to watch more educational videos, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. See you from next videos.